Hi, today we're going to see how to convert images into outlines in Photopea. So I'm going to use this image here. Just make sure the image you're going to use has the outlines here, as you can see. So the first thing I need to do is to increase the canvas size. So go to image and then canvas size. So now I'm just going to click on the chain icon here. So when I increase, for example, the width, one of them, or the height, the other one will increase too. So I'm just going to type plus and then 300. It will increase both the width and the height by 300 pixels and then press enter. So here it is, and now just press OK. So now I'm just going to create a new layer, new transparent layer. So click on this icon. So here it is. And now I'm going to place it under our layer here, our image, the all. So now I'm going to paint it with white. So left click here, select the paint bucket tool. I'm going to click on this arrow here to switch between the foreground and background since I want the foreground white. And now left click, so here it is. And now I'm going to merge down these layers here. So right click, and then just flatten image or merge down. So here it is. So now the first thing I need to do is to desaturate this layer here, remove all the colors. So just go down here, left click, and then let's select the hue and saturation. And now I'm going to reduce the saturation all the way down. So here it is. And now I'm going to click here to hide the window. Now right click, I'm going to flatten the image or merge down both images. So here it is. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So right click and then duplicate layer. And now I'm going to change the layer mode here of the upper one to linear dodge. So here it is. You can try either screen, color dodge, or linear dodge. With linear dodge, I have a better result since I want to remove all the colors in the middle and just keep the outlines. And now I'm going to merge them down. So here it is. And now I'm going to duplicate again this layer, right click, and then duplicate layer. And now for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to either do color dodge, screen, or for example, linear dodge. So here it is. And now let's merge down again. And now I'm going to duplicate it, I think, one last time here. Again, I'm going to change the layer mode and then here. So here it is. Right click and then merge down. And now I'm just going to make the outlines here look smoother. So in order to do so, I'm going to go to filters, blur, and then Gaussian blur. We're going to blur this layer. So I don't want 7 pixels blur, I just want slight blur. So I'm going to go with either 2 pixels or 2.5. So I'm going to leave it with 2 pixels. Press OK. If I select the zoom tool, so here. And now I'm going to select the curves adjustment layer, left click here, and then select the curves. So here it is. And now, as you can see, there are two handles, one in the top right and one in the bottom left. So for example, if I move the bottom left one, so as you can see, we'll increase the black here, the black outline. If I move the top right one, it will increase the white color on the layer since the curves tool will control the black and white in the RGB channel here. So now you just need to try to get the best result. So now I'm going to here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here like this. So here it is. And now I'm still on the zoom tool, right click and then fit the area. So here it is. And I'm just going to click on layer here and then flatten image. So now I forgot to duplicate the layer. I'm going to bring the previous layer so we can see the before and after. So here's the previous image with the white background since the first one was the transparent. So let's see the before and after. So here it is. That's how you can convert images into outlines in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.